What up guys, my name is Stanley Steen from Team Deberoo, and in today's video we are going to build a quiz lander for a sweepstakes offer, which is very popular these times of year. So let's dive in.
But first, a little promotion. My full stack affiliate platform, the Deberoo Suite, now offers for a limited time only upwards to 80% off. We have a tracking software, a landing page builder and a spy tool, cash flow manager and so much more. So feel free to check it out through the description down below. Click the link. Step 1, create your account. Step 2, watch the video on the dashboard to claim your deal with upwards to 80% off. But if not of that, let's go back to the video.
Alright, so this is the sweepstakes offer that we are going to focus on, and some of you actually sent me a message asking if we can build a quiz lander for a sweepstakes offer, since they probably want to know more about it and how it's done. So that's exactly what we want to do and what we're going to do today. So I've picked a sweepstakes offer, which is an Italian offer. A cinema gift card, credit card, submit, and the payout is 15 euros. Like I said, it's been running in Italy and all desktops are available. So this is it, gift card, 35 euros. So basically you get a gift card for 35 euros to spend in one of the cinemas, and you will be charged 1 euro to basically to get a chance on winning that gift card. So let's do it. We are going to the Deberoo Suite landing page builder, which I'm already in, and we're going to go to landing page templates, and we're actually going to use this quiz right here that you saw already there, which is this one, the branded quiz. And let's give it a name. So I'm just going to call it cinema for now. There we go. All right. So yeah, for the quiz landing page, it's very important to keep a structured flow. So you want these questions to all play in on each other, and you want the user that answers the questions to be more enthused after every question that they answer, until they've answered the last question, where they should really be like, oh, I really hope I'm gonna win this gift card, this cinema card, and that's the point where you redirect them to the offer, and they will have the highest chance on converting as they answered 4 questions and now really want to know whether they won or not. So first things first, you want to change this logo up, right? So you don't want to be, it's too Walmart. So cinema clip art. I'm not going to spend a whole lot of time here. I really want to focus on the questions themselves and the quiz itself. So yeah, let's just do this just as an idea. Obviously, did I just say no? I don't want that. All right, so obviously you want to spend some more time in finding the right logo and making sure that it looks nice, but for now we're just gonna do like this, just so you know you have to change it. Obviously this wouldn't be a real logo, right? Let me refresh this because I fucked up just a little bit. Let's go back in. Alright, here we are. Cool. So published on 9th of December. I don't know why December is with a Z. Here we go. And obviously you would make this all in Italian as well. So if you're running an offer in Italy, make sure it's Italian, obviously. Okay. You can win a 35 euros cinema. Let's make it in capitals. Cinema gift card by answering these questions. There we go. If you want to participate in the survey, begin with answering the questions below, unless you decide to give up your opportunity for a chance to go to the cinemas, or to the cinema for free. All right, cool. So let's go to the first question. So age is a okay thing to ask in a quiz. Actually, I'm gonna keep it like that. So we have under 10, 18 to 30, 31 to 50, and 50 above. That's fine. That's fine as a perfect first question. Then, how much do you spend on fashion in a month? That's what we're gonna change up. How often do you go to the cinema? Less than once a year. Then we have 1 or 2 times a year. Let's make it caps, all right. Then we have, let's see, once a month or more as the most extreme. And then in between we have, let's say, how should we say that? So like 3 to 10 times a year. And above that will come pretty close to once a month. So, wow. I'm having trouble with spelling that. All right, cool. Okay, next question. Where do you normally buy your clothes from? So we're gonna change that up. How often do you buy snacks or drinks when you're in the cinema? Always. The cinema, or maybe always, it's part of the experience. Often, but sometimes I bring my own. Barely. Usually I bring barely only when I forgot my own. Barely only when I forgot my own. Or never. The prices are too high. All right. Last question. How do you want to spend your gift cards if you won the prize? So that wouldn't make any sense because you would spend it on watching movies, right? So let's see. Let's take a look at the flow. We've got age range. How often do you go to the cinema? How often do you buy snacks or drinks? And last but not least, we want to enthuse them with this last question to go to the movies and go win that cinema gift card. So how are we gonna do that? We had the amount of time they go to the cinema. We've had the amount of time they buy snacks at the cinema. We should do something like, do you want a chance to see every new movie as one of the first? To see it. I'm going to change that a little bit up. Do you want a chance to watch every new movie as one of the first to see it? Doesn't make sense. Do you want a chance to watch every movie right after it got released. Yes, count me in. I love watching new movies. Sure, not a big movie fan, but a free movie is the best movie. Whatever. I guess so. Since it's free. No, I don't like movies. So an answer like that can be a little bit negative, but it's not bad. Why? This far in the quiz, nobody's going to answer that question. So if this was the one and only question, for example, you might not want to get that answer in there, since people that click on it might feel like, you know what, I don't actually like movies. So I don't know who thinks that, but that's a side note. So then they get in a sort of negative way of thinking and they won't convert, basically. Now it's a fourth question. So if you don't like movies, you wouldn't answer the first three questions to win free movies, right? So you can put that in there as an option, but I can tell you nobody's going to click on it. And even if they click on it, they will still get redirected to the offer, so it doesn't really matter. All right, then we have our previous winners section here. We've got Barbara B. Change this up to an Italian name in this case, right? So we have an offer that's going to perform and promote in Italy, so Italian girl name here, right? Same thing here. It's not going to be Christine K, but it needs to be Italian. All right, cool. And that looks all fine. And obviously, once again, you want to translate all these. The comments, the copy, the questions, the answer. Translate everything to Italy, to Italian, and then you're all set. So that's how you build a quiz for a sweepstakes offer. I hope you enjoyed it and that you can implement it to your very own affiliate marketing campaign. That's going to be it for this one, but I will catch you next time. So, peace out.